Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to get back archive stories on Instagram. So let's start. So first let's go to our profile, and here on our profile just click on the three lines on the top right corner. Just click here and let's go to this part that says archive. Just click here and you will have here the post archive, but if you want to store it, just click on the top left corner on post archive and you will find here the option that says story archive. Just click here and you will find all the stories that you archived before. If you want to start archive story here, then if you want to back an archive story, well, first you have to check if the day is not too long, but if that's too long, well, you can do it, it's saved video, or you can send to highlights. You can see here and select the highlights. As you can see, select one and you will add the story on your highlights on Instagram. Just you can see here and will appear the archive story before. Now guys, that is how it works. I hope this helps you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give a thumbs up to this video.